Yeah. Um, I've never done one of those, but I might have to try one. The other skeletal muscle adaptations that I think there's some interest, particularly like there's this capillary density. You mentioned the mitochondrial network being sort of like that. Um, hit affect capillary density. What is that?
Yeah, it does. As a muscle physiologist, I think the two primary responses in muscle that are critical, especially from an aerobic conditioning standpoint, is the increase in mitochondria and the increase in capillarization. So you need more of the blood vessels in order to supply the increase in mitochondria within skeletal muscle. And then, of course, there's other adaptations. We see an increase in muscle glycogen content. So you store more fuel on board that you can then break down. You increase the transport for many things, including glucose transporters. And so one of the reasons why exercise is therapeutic in the treatment of high blood sugar or diabetes, there's lots of reasons, but one of the reasons is you increase glucose transport capacity on the cell membrane. And so what that means is it allows more glucose to be moved into the muscle, maybe then stored as muscle glycogen, and that helps to lower the blood sugar levels, especially if they're chronically high. And so individuals who start and engage in an exercise program, one of the things that they'll find if they are diabetic is they have to reduce their diabetic medication, because what's happening is the muscle's more fit, and rather than needing the drug to try and clear the glucose, your muscle's doing it more naturally, if you will, or it's grown these new glucose transporters that helps to clear the glucose, the elevated glucose
That's
from the
amazing.
bloodstream.